Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla power steering rack replacement cases and the possible causes that have been documented based on verified information. In certain Tesla vehicles, the electric power steering rack may require replacement after the driver experiences warnings, reduced assist, unusual steering feel, or loss of assist under specific conditions. When this occurs, steering remains mechanically connected, but electric assistance can become inconsistent or unavailable, especially at low speeds. These cases do not affect all vehicles and vary by model year, production period, steering system design, and operating conditions rather than representing a universal defect. Verified information shows that one documented cause involves internal wear or failure within the electric power steering rack assembly. The rack integrates the steering motor, sensors, and control electronics into a single unit. Over time, internal component wear, increased friction, or sensor irregularities can lead to inaccurate feedback or reduced assist, prompting fault detection and eventual rack replacement when corrective calibration or software updates are not sufficient. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Electrical and electronic factors are also documented. Power steering racks rely on stable electrical supply and accurate signal communication. If internal circuit components, connectors, or integrated control boards experience degradation, thermal stress, or intermittent faults, the system may log persistent errors that cannot be resolved without replacing the rack assembly. As a possible contributing factor, repeated high steering loads or environmental exposure could be related in some vehicles, but this is treated as a possibility rather than a confirmed cause in every case. Software-related behavior has also been reviewed. Steering assist logic and fault thresholds are managed by vehicle software, and some steering issues are resolved through updates or recalibration. However, when faults continue after software correction and diagnostic evaluation confirms hardware-level errors, rack replacement is documented as the appropriate service action rather than further adjustment. Corrective actions described in verified information typically include diagnostic scanning to confirm internal rack faults, followed by replacement of the electric power steering rack when required. In confirmed cases, replacement restores normal steering assist and resolves warning messages. Alignment checks are usually performed after replacement to ensure proper steering behavior. Reviewed information indicates that power steering rack replacement cases are not widespread across all Tesla vehicles. Some vehicles may never experience steering rack issues, while others may require replacement depending on component condition, usage patterns, and system health. In conclusion, Tesla power steering rack replacement cases are generally linked to documented internal rack wear, electronic component faults, or persistent sensor irregularities rather than a universal steering system failure. The issue varies by vehicle and conditions, and resolution depends on accurate diagnosis and appropriate service action. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.